Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Air Specialist. So I'm looking at a level up hydraulic jack on a unit that's here. And so a while back I did just some own personal research because I'm just weird like that. I wanted to check out and see like, hey, what's the maintenance on these, right? So I'm not going to go into all the details as far as that, but what I just wanted to come down and briefly tell you was like, these jacks are hydraulic. So you're going to want to check to make sure that there's no leaks anywhere on the top. You also want to make sure that the fittings and the hoses are good, that nothing's wrong with the actual compression on the fitting itself. You want to make sure that the legs aren't leaking, that the seals aren't leaking, that you're not getting a puddle on the legs. Then I want to come to the bolts, right? So these bolts, if you look in the owner's manual or the installation manual, there is a torque on these. These are all actually grade 8, but sometimes we'll come in here and we'll find that some of these bolts are loose or sheared off. We'll find that they're not grade 8. And so if you're seeing that, you might want to switch those out. You might want to grab a torque wrench and look it up online. I've done some posts and articles on it which shows some of the specs on it, but you can always contact Lippert. If you can read it and make it out, there's usually a label on here that's right there that's, that should be, let me see if I can do it one-handed here. That should be where you can read it, for the patent number, basically the part number, or you can measure the amount of holes, or you can see what kind of connections are on the top, and then they'll verify it. So they've changed these a lot, and some of them are, even this style, they've gone to a completely new style now that actually captures it in a different direction. So they're not flat anymore. They're more of like a we'll say, C style that clip onto the frame. So, but anyways, check those out. Make sure too, this is a lot of torque when picking this stuff up. So you want to make sure that all the welds are good, that all the welds on these reinforcement bars are good, that nothing's broke loose or cracked in here. You can see that things are starting to rust and stuff too. So get down underneath here and do your inspections. Make sure you can go back and lightly tighten everything up. You can spray it all clean and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. There's different things that you can put on these hoses to kind of help protect them. So there's lots of good stuff out there, but a lot of times it's just good enough, right? So all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. You guys have a great day, and don't forget, part of your maintenance, check out your level ups. Thanks so much for watching.